Hello everyone, so welcome you all to Ashok Tutorials Meghalaya's first MTED channel. So my dear friends, today in this video we are going to learn role play and dramatization. So what is role play or what is drama? Let us see. So historical reenactments. Example, students reenact the constitutional conventions of 1787. Each student takes on the role of a founding father and debates issues like the structure of government and the Bill of Rights, gaining a deeper understanding of the historical context and compromises made during this pivotal event in American society. See, this is a example. So drama. You all know what is drama. What is skit? In school, we have all taken part in different type of drama, in different type of skit. Yes or no? Mime, right? So there, what do? We try to depict or we want to show the road shows and all you might have seen where the awareness can be spread on how HIV/AIDS can be controlled or how disaster management can be done or how pollution should be controlled. So you might have seen different type of skits on these topics, right? So that is role play. Suppose if you are teaching about a family, so suppose a family of 5 members, so what you can do is that you can ask the children to act. One will act like father, another will like mother, another will like child, another will like uncle, another will like auntie. Like that they can take the role by themselves. They can act whatever, especially in English. I used to do this whenever I used to teach English on, and if there is any story where father is there, mother is there, are there, uncle is there, so there I used to make one child behave like a father, another child like a mother, another child like a daughter, so that it becomes very easy for them to understand the story. So this is what role play does. Role play or drama means it makes our learning process very easy and simple. All right, now simulating societal issues. Example, students simulate a United Nations session to address global issues such as climate change. Each students represent a different country advocating for their country's interest and engaging in diplomatic negotiations. This activity helps students grasp the complexities of international diplomacy and environmental concern. Now you see global climate change. Climate change is a area of concern in today's world. Global warming, you all see global warming. The ice of the northern and the southern poles are melting day by day. The water level, the ocean level are rising, right? The level of water is rising day by day, which means by 2050, 2050, half of the world will be underwater if we are not taking care of global warming today. So my dear friends, now those things can also be taught in the form of drama. All right, so each students can, some student can behave like they are from India, some can from Canada, another from Russia, another from China, another from Japan, another from Australia. Like that they can role play, right? Conflict resolution. Example, students participate in a role play to resolve conflict between financial characters representing two different ethnic groups. By taking on the roles of these characters, students learn about the dynamic of conflict, empathy, and negotiation. So this is also another example where the students themselves can take part to solve, to find a solutions, to find a suggestion to overcome this problem if there is any ethnic clash. So the students can show it in the form of play, show it in the form of a drama, and spread awareness among different groups of people, right? Now dramatization, let us see. So historical plays. Example, students create and perform short plays based on historical events such as civil rights movement. By acting out key moments, students gain a deeper appreciation of the struggle and achievement of individual and groups in the past. So civil rights movement or Dandi March movement or SALT movement. So all these movements can be performed by students. Somebody can act like Gandhi, then other students can be his followers. So like that they can show it in the form of a play or in the form of a drama, right? Example, literary interpretation now. Example, in an English literature class, students dramatize scenes from social science related novels like To Kill a Mockingbird. By acting out characters and scenes, they explore social justice, prejudice, and morality in the context of novel. So this is what I was just saying, that when I was teaching English in one of the school, what I used to do is that I used to ask the students to act, so that rest of the class can actually see what the story is all about. If I just read out and explain, the student might not understand as much as they will understand by observing. So this is what we call learning by observing, right? And not only observing, there will be students who are already involved in the story. Somebody will act like the king, another will be acting like his minister, another will be acting like his soldier. So this way they will be acting and they will be learning. So it will be a fun way of learning, right? Policy debate. What is policy debate? Let us see. Example: students take on roles as politicians, community members, and experts in dramatization of a town hall meeting. They discuss and debate real or hypothetical policies related to urban development, healthcare, or educational, learning about the democratic process and civic engagement. So here also policy making, politics, right? So students can take roles as politicians, as the community leaders, and also as experts in the form of a drama, and they can show it, right? Now in both role play and dramatization, what happens? Both in role play and dramatization, students actively participate in the learning process, right? So which can deepen their understanding, they can comprehend more, and they are, since they are involved in the process of teaching and learning, they remember the concept better and they never forget, and they are able to perform well and apply this concept in their real life situation, right? So this is the, you know, importance, or this is the advantage of drama or role play when we are teaching a certain topic in English or science or health education or social science, anywhere, right? Specifically, this drama or role play applies to English subject as far as my knowledge is concerned, right? So I think this is all in this video. So thank you everyone for staying connected with Ashok Tutorials, Meghalaya's first MTED channel. Thank you.